welcome back. So in this video we are going to solve another SQL top 50 questions. So you have an employee table, employee whose manager left the company. So find the IDs of the employees whose salary is strictly less than 30,000 and whose managers left the company. Return the result table ordered by employee ID. So these are example table employee ID 3. So the name is there and manager ID may be null and the salary is there. So but the report still have their manager ID set to the manager that left. So find the IDs of the employees whose and whose manager left them. Right, when a manager leave the company, the information is deleted from the employees table. So probably the manager row will not be there. That's the thing. So that's the only criteria you need to look on that. So employee ID 11, the manager 6, there is no row here. So what exactly we need? Return the result table ordered by employee ID. And so this basically looks like an easy question. Will not take that much of time. So let me take the scheme of us. Then we can work on that. So going back to our uh, things here, I guess I will push this all code into our GitHub repo. So before making that push, probably I will do later. Not today. Probably next couple of days I will push this thing. So I assume there will be a table, drop table if access. There will be a table with the same name. So I'm making so many issues here. Drop table. So I am dropping that one and doing these things, and I know where the problem is happening. So here you need to provide the null as usual. These things are as usual, so there is nothing new on this kind of thing. So here I'm entered that data, and I am going to select all from employees to make sure you have the right data. That's the first thing you need to do, and you are going to write an SQL query. So we are fine with that kind of things here. Oh, I got some issues here. So here we got the schema, we got everything. Right now, just to write the things. Okay. So basically, it's a very easy one. Select employee ID from employee where manager and manager ID not in. Select employee ID from employees. Okay. So you have select employee ID from employee. So I don't spend that much of time there. So I'm not going to spend any time on these queries to write my own. So what exactly happening? I just copy this from some resources. Employee ID from employees where salary is less than 30,000 and manager ID not in this thing. So it's a very straightforward, and you can see the answer here. So we are going back to our solution here. So since we are completing these things very easily and very fast, Probably we can go to another one. So this only took 5 minutes. Sorry, everything is going to wrong on these things. So this only took 5 minutes. So we have time. So then exchange seats. That's another one. So we are going to solve that. So this okay. Write a solution to swap the seats ID of every two consecutive students. If the number of students is odd, then ID of the last student is not swapped. Return the results table order by ID. So you are getting a C table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. And you need to swap with the peoples. Okay, so here 2 and 1 is swapped and the ID will not change. That's the thing. Only the name will change. So this always will be static and you need to swap first and second, first and second, third and fourth, and the last one. If the vote, the number of the students is or then it's not swapped. Return the result table order by ID in ascending order. So as usual, we are taking the schema and then we will go to the solution and we are taking a less time on this time to solve all of these questions since everything is in like easy category questions. This is not easy, but we can try to solve. So whenever you are having some doubts about any questions, any solutions, first you can try to solve yourself. Then if it is not happening, then try to some resource. So that's a way we can have can learn very easily. Otherwise, we will stick in the same way. So, I mean, taking code from some resources and try to learn is not that much better other than trying yourself. It's like a learning by activity or learning by theory. So two ways of doing the same thing. So okay. So here, so I need to swap the previous and this one. So how I can do that? So whenever I am taking one row, I have the so lag and lead you can use, but I don't know that's the best option. So in that case, you can you can try to solve, but if it is not working, then just go to the solution, just some resources and learn the things and implement. So in this case, I guess I need some resources to help me. So the things that I'm thinking is the lead. Oh, okay. So here is the thing. So my thoughts was going to the lead and lag, so that we can access the previous rows and the following rows. So that's another option. But from the resources I saw, you don't need to change these things. You change these IDs. So that's another one. So then change the ID instead of this one. Or you can do one thing. You can join the tables. That also works. So if you are joining In that way, just imagine. So if I am joining this table into the same table, but what I exactly need is, I need to keep the ID, but I need to remove this one, right? So probably I can take from the second table, right? So second table, so I will join into this one with the ID minus one. So what will happen in that case? So for the last one, so for the first one, the joining table, the one is going to here, but that's not I exactly need. I need to swap these two, right? So that's the one. So how I can join that? So you need to use the mode operator here. That's the only way. So two solutions are there. So we already took the schemas. So we can go to the both solutions. So case. So the first one, the ID swapping. So more ID two. So in this case, so what exactly happening? So the one ID. Okay. So if I am changing the ID, what I am doing here? So I should have a student from C. Okay, C. What is it here? Hmm, they are putting some seed. Okay, from seed. Probably they mean by student. I don't know. So, oh, okay, the table is C2. Okay. God, I'm making some stupid mistakes here. So that's fine. So select case. Okay. Count is equal to not equal to ID. So you need to use the case. You need to use the counts. So what is counts? That's what I'm trying to understand. Okay, I got it. Select count as count from seed. So it's a total one. Okay, I got it. So we can go to the solution right now. So first we will do select. We have already one select from there. That's fine. So the seed I already, okay, I will copy from here. Why I need to waste time? I didn't have that much for this one, right? So these things are only a little extra careful. That's the only thing we need to do this problem. Okay, so here, so I am doing the case. Then here, I need to put when mode is one and ID is equal to 2. And what I am going to do, it is not equal. I guess it's equal to or not equal to. And doesn't matter. We will understand that things later. Okay. So here we are putting some counts here. So what I am going to do is I am taking some select count star from here as count as counts, right? Yeah, counts from seed. Okay, so here, so right now this probably so counts is not equal to ID. So that we know if count is not equal to ID, then what I need to do? Then ID I will increment that one. Okay, and okay, then here when mode is equal to ID is equal to 2, the same. Okay, here it's only the and part make the difference. Okay, so count is equal to ID. In that case, what I'm going to do, keep the exact thing. So we are not changing any table data. We are changing only the output. That's the only thing you remember on this case. So else ID is equal to -1. So what exactly happening here? So that's the first thing you need to understand in this case. Okay. So I am closing this one here and I put like as ID. And then you need the student name. So that's the only thing you need from this one. Okay, from so right now it's fine. So right now what exactly happening? Mode, if the last element is count, then I will add that into this one. ID is equal to +1. So the first one will be 1 plus 2. And if it is the last element, it is the last element, I will keep as it is. And the other things that's gonna happen, mode ID is equal to mode ID 2 will not be 0. In that case, I will reduce that, right? So if it is 1, I will reduce it to, if it is 5, I will reduce it to 4. And 4, I will make it as ID +1. So everything work as expected, probably. So seed count, order by ID, ask. Let's see whether it's gonna work. Then say like every day must have its own. Okay, something is gonna happen here. So I would put as seed counts. Let's see this will make any changes in our result. Okay, right now it's fine. So everything is everything is in everything right now is fine because it looks like the same way. Okay, the result we expected. So everything is fine. Autocomplete is okay. Format beautify. So this is only the one way of solving this question. I don't know whether we need to go to the second way. Probably in next video. Yes, that's the best option because it's already 90 minutes. So let me run this and make it sure it's working. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.